Hello everyone, quick video here. Just got this video card and installed it into this slot. Along with this video card, there was a device, a little gadget, and there's some chatter as to what it might be for. So this is designed to help support the weight of the video card so it does not come loose. So yes, you'll have some screws here in place and that helps. But the thought behind this is that you can use it to reinforce the weight so that when this is sitting right side up, the weight does not come down bearing and cause either damage to the pins or this to come loose. The way this works is if it's locked in place, this is really hard to move up and down. But okay, there it is. We'll move it all. If you loosen it up, it comes up and down very easy. There is a magnet in the back here. And the way it is supposed to work is you find an open spot like right here, attach it, extend it, and lock it in place. So now this helps support the GPU so that it doesn't come loose. That's what that device is for. Hopefully this will help anyone out there who has any questions as to what this is meant for.